This toothpaste don dey help me oh. I say make I just try am, and since I start using am, my mouth dey feel so fresh and my teeth dey look cleaner. I really like am.
I used to notice my teeth getting stained, especially from everyday things like coffee. But since I started using Extreme, my teeth look cleaner and brighter. Honestly, I'm impressed.
Okay, I've actually been using X for a while now, and I love how clean after brushing. Plus, the whitening boost is a really nice touch. Definitely staying in my routine.
Bro, this Extreme toothpaste, I like am. My mouth dey feel fresh after brushing, and I really like the charcoal formula. It don become part of my morning routine. Good oral care starts with consistent brushing and the right toothpaste. Extreme's activated charcoal formula helps clean away surface stains while leaving your mouth feeling fresh. So why not give Extreme a try?
Ready for a cleaner, fresher, brighter smile? Make the switch to Extreme Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. Try Extreme today.
So that ad you watched was a testimonial ad, and it's simply a UGC kind of ad where people who have used the product talk about the product, talk about how it has helped them. And as you can see in that ad, we used different individuals, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So the first thing is to make use of ChatGPT to write our script, and I'm just going to explain what I want to achieve with ChatGPT. I'm going to be making use of Extreme toothpaste like you saw there. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then add the product. So I just added the product. I'm going to explain what I want to achieve now to ChatGPT. The script I'm going to be making use of would be available for you. You either check the comment section or you check my Telegram or WhatsApp channel so you can access it. Okay, so this is a toothpaste and I want to create a testimonial style UGC content for it. Where I'm going to have about 4 different Nigerians hold the product, or maybe we could even see it on the table or somewhere visible, and they talk about how it has helped them. It's a toothpaste, it's a charcoal, it's a charcoal toothpaste, and I want us to just do UGC ad. Each person will just speak for 10 seconds and they'll just talk about how it helped them. Maybe the first person could talk about how it helped them fight cavity, just how like that. Then I want about four testimonies, 2 male, 2 female of different ages. Then maybe for the 5th person we could have a doctor in his office. For each of the people you're going to be making use of, they should be in a particular setting. Maybe the first person could be a Nigerian woman in her provision store where she sells provision, and she could speak pidgin English, saying something like, this toothpaste don't they help me. I say make I try and see how my teeth, something like that. The second person could be a worker in the office. The third person could be a construction worker. The 5th person could be a stunning, beautiful Nigerian lady, maybe in her 20s. And the last person could be the doctor. I would say millions of Nigerians are now switching to Extreme toothpaste. What are you waiting for? Try this, or it's highly recommended by dentists, something like that. So for this particular part where the doctor would be speaking, I would like to see some animations. Maybe we could see like a before and after, or we could see like a tooth, like the toothpaste. The toothpaste is black in color. We could see the toothpaste going around the tooth, a tooth that used to be brownish, and then the tooth becomes white. You get the idea, right? So based on this, give me a script. So this is exactly how I got the script I used for that ad. So after it's done, I'm just going to start creating the content. Now, note, for this particular video I created, I had to use Gemini. Let me show you. So this is Gemini, and Google Gemini gives you 3 daily credits once you're on the Pro account, and I've not used my 3 daily credits for today, so I'm going to make use of my 3 daily credits on Gemini to create this. So this is a Pro account. You see create video, and then this is another one, create video. So that's how I'm going to go on to create all the videos. So the script is ready. This is it. And if you want to access the scripts, please, you should be in my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel. So this is it. So we are going to, you could do it in 2 ways. You could either create the characters, the image first before you animate it, but in this style I'm just going to try this first. I'm just going to try creating with the video first. If it doesn't work out, then I can go on to create the characters before animating. So you click on this plus icon, and then we are going to upload. We're going to change this to video. Then I'm going to leave it in landscape mode, and I'm going to click on this icon to upload the Extreme toothpaste. So we paste this here, so we just click on enter. So I'm going to go on to create for the next person, and that's exactly exactly how I created for each of them. So I'm just going to pause this video so it doesn't get too long and then create all the videos. So finally, I'm done creating the video. Though some scenes stressed me, you know how it goes. I had to create like some scenes twice. Like, look at this particular one now. How did the toothpaste end like this? But I still created. Currently, you can only access this particular Gemini site I'm using when you have a Google Pro account. If you can't access it, if you don't have a Pro account, feel free to use Flow to create your video. It still doesn't matter as long as you're able to get the video output. So what I did afterwards was download everything and then I joined them together on CapCut. So this is exactly how you can create a video like this. The entire prompt I used is going to be available in my Telegram and also my WhatsApp group, so you can just access it and then try out yours. I can't wait to see what you create. Feel free to create and then tag me, and like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.